If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that grows into a completely different life, it would be this. Be careful what you repeat to yourself because your mind is always listening. This is one sentence people say casually, almost automatically. I can't afford it. It sounds responsible, it sounds realistic. But in reality, it is one of the most dangerous sentences you can program into your life. Because every time you say it, you are not just describing your situation, you are training your mind to accept limitation as truth. Your life will always rise or fall to the level of your identity, and your identity is built through the words you repeat daily. When you constantly say, I can't afford it, that's too expensive, that's not for people like me, you slowly become someone who believes more is not for me, growth is not for me, expansion is not for me. And once your identity accepts limitation, your life starts reflecting it. But the shift begins with something simple, not money, not opportunity, language. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, start asking, how can I afford it? What do I need to become to reach this level? That question alone transforms you from someone who feels restricted to someone who is expanding. And once your identity shifts, your behavior follows because the way you speak determines the way you act. When your mind is filled with limitation, you hesitate, you avoid risk, you don't invest in yourself, you stay where it feels safe, even it is keeps you small. But when your language changes, you begin to move differently. You start looking for solution. You take action instead of waiting. You invest in growth instead of comfort. Because now your mind is working with you, not against you. And over time, those small shifts in behaviors create massive changes. And here is the deeper truth. Your environment is constantly reinforcing your language. If you are surrounded by people who speak in lack, who normalize struggle, who constantly say it's too expensive or nothing works, that becomes your reality. But when you step into environments, even digitally, where people think in terms of expansion, where growth, standards, and opportunities are normal, your mindset begins to shift because what surrounds you shapes you. And the spaces you choose to live in, learn in, and grow in will always influence the level you rise to because abundance grows faster in environments where possibility feels normal. So, from today, become aware of your words because your language is not just communication, it is programming. Every sentence you repeat is shaping your identity, and your identity is shaping your future. Stop saying, I can't afford it, and start asking, how can I become the person who can? Because the moment your word changes, your thinking changes, your action changes, and eventually your entire life changes. Thank you for being here.